Have you ever wondered how humanity builds some of the largest, most vital structures on Earth? Welcome to Mega Construction Secrets. Today, we're diving deep into the engineering marvels of giant bridge construction. These aren't just roads, they're lifelines connecting distant places. Building giant bridges presents monumental challenges, from spanning vast water bodies to withstanding extreme weather and seismic activity. It requires precision and innovation at every step. Bridge construction follows distinct phases: meticulous planning, securing solid foundations, building the superstructure, and finally, adding safety and finishing touches. Let's break down this complex process. Everything begins with the design and planning phase, where vision meets engineering reality. This is where the bridge's fate is sealed. Initial site surveys are critical, involving geological assessments to understand the ground composition, especially where foundations will be placed. Engineers must choose the right bridge type, such as suspension, cable-stayed, or truss, based on the span length, terrain, and anticipated loads. Advanced computer modeling and simulations are used to test the design against various scenarios, ensuring structural integrity before construction even begins. The foundation work is arguably the most crucial and challenging part, as it dictates the bridge's stability for centuries. Establishing deep foundations, like piers and caissons, often happens deep underwater or in challenging terrains, anchoring the entire massive structure securely to the bedrock. It's paramount to secure the foundation against massive environmental forces, including strong currents, wind loads, and seismic tremors, ensuring the bridge can endure any natural event. Once the foundations are set, the focus shifts to the superstructure, the visible part of the bridge that carries the traffic. This phase involves erecting the massive towers and support pillars, or pylons, which often reach incredible heights to support the weight of the deck and cables. Techniques for raising and installing bridge decks can involve lifting prefabricated segments or casting full-span sections in place, often high above the ground or water. For suspension and cable-stayed bridges, precision cable installation is crucial, providing the primary support and defining the bridge's iconic silhouette. The final stages focus on finishing the roadway and implementing critical safety measures to protect drivers and the structure itself. Paving the bridge deck with high-quality asphalt or concrete is essential, followed by surface treatments that ensure durability and traction. Final touches include installing robust railings, sophisticated lighting systems for visibility, and traffic management and monitoring safety systems. The construction of a giant bridge is a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of engineering excellence. After rigorous testing and final inspections, the moment arrives. The bridge is open to the public, marking the culmination of years of intense work. These giant bridges leave a lasting impact, transforming connectivity, fostering economic growth, and standing as magnificent symbols of what we can achieve.